Okay, so here's a 2-foot by 3-foot pallet we're making for the sawmill. I moved operations into the basement from the garage. Number one, it's cold in the garage in the wintertime in Buffalo, and two, my wife would like to alternate parked cars. She like hers in there one week, mine's the next week, so as the snow is starting to fly, we need to make that, so I'm moving operations here. So moving this down here, this is cut out of, I think this is Aspen, someone said, but it's got like, I don't know, like 40% moisture. I measured it, and it fucking weighs a ton. So that's my perception. So I got a scale here. Let's see what a ton feels like when I'm 63 years old. So a ton is 40 pounds. Yeah, I guess hauling 40 pounds of wet lumber around with one hand is getting to be my limit at age 63. Alright, so yeah, put these 2 cedar boards on the bottom. These have been reused from 20 years ago, different projects, but that's kind of keep the ground contact to a minimum for the other boards. If nothing else, it's sacrificial, or else I'll put a new one on. Yep, so that one's ready to go. I don't know if port's on this piece because it needs to get, you know, tall like that one. So we'll probably install this when we go over to my mother-in-law's today. I got wood, I cut wood, dimensional stuff to make 2 more of those pallets for by the sawmill. So I think I might grab a couple of these pieces and take them downstairs, cut them. I don't know if I'll put it together right now. Alright, so we'll cut up some more pieces for another 3-foot by 2-foot. Let's just have a look at the... So 16%. Yeah, it's 23%. 32%. 27. What are these? These are drying out faster. 19. Yeah. Just for shits and giggles. What's these old 13%. So, you know, these have been around for 20 years, soaking wet, laying on the ground. So this is definitely pretty wet stuff. That's probably why it weighs a lot. Seems like the shorter pieces are drying quicker than the bigger pieces, than the thicker pieces. So that stuff's probably been cut for like a week now. It definitely was in the high 30s when I first cut it all. Alright, on to the next.